Hi, I'm Mike Arnold, Atlantic District Director of the NMRA, and thanks for watching that train couple.
Hi everyone, welcome back to That Train Couple. I'm Jasmine, this is Frank.
Yep.
And we are here at the Amherst Model Railroad Hobbies show. That's what it's called, right? Not just a train
Something
show.
like that, I think so.
Yeah, it's huge. There are 5 buildings full of vendors. We are right now at the NMRA booth. Oh my gosh, who's this? Come here. This is Courtney. Hello, the president of the NMRA. I was just handed this nifty button too.
Oh, that's cool. And you're going to get cookies, right? You brought
Yes,
the cookies?
we brought the cookies to pass out. We're going to pass out cookies. Come here. Get in the shot. There you go.
I'll get over here.
Yeah.
Hey.
So this is Courtney Robinson, the president of the NMRA, who's also a huge fan of the Women in Model Railroading Special Interest Group.
Absolutely.
Which we appreciate, and I'm a really big supporter of. Oh my gosh, who is this? This is Christina Zambri. I can't get everybody in the shot. Yeah, let's get everybody. Okay, so this is Christina. She's in charge of marketing for the NMRA and also part of the Women in Model Railroading Special Interest Group that we are a huge supporter of and a big part of.
Model railroading.
That's right, exactly. Oh my goodness, what fun.
So the really cool thing is that the pizza guys are here from northern Utah, and 55% of the people that come through their program are females. That's where it's at.
That is super cool. That's really
We even
neat.
got jokes about some men who are going to start men in model railroading.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, this has been fantastic. So watch for more footage. We'll be here at the NMRA booth later, passing out cookies, talking to people, and meeting fantastic people like Christina, who I just met for the first time in person. We're friends online.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, one of the benefits.
Exactly. So that's really what we want to do. Women in model railroading just want to have fun, and we have really great supporters.
Yep.
So
And we're all inclusive too.
exactly. All right. Well, stay tuned for more footage from the Amherst Model Railroad Train Show.
Yep.
Railroad Show. Yeah. Hi everybody, this is Erin and Sarah of ANS Trains. They're our first channel sponsors, and we are receiving a Static King brass applicator
By Woodland Scenics.
by Woodland Scenics. From our first channel sponsors, we're going to see this at work in a video very soon. So
Can't
thank
wait.
you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So it's been great working with you guys,
Yeah.
and look forward to future deals. So.
Absolutely. Check out ANS Trains. That's them right there. Get your stuff from them. And of course we have to go say hi to Spring Creek Model Trains. We We see them at a lot of shows. We try to buy something when we can. Let's say hello. Boop, boop. Hi, who are you?
I'm Jordan Kramer.
And what do you do? Who
Hi.
are you?
With the NMRA, helping with the interchange. This is Amanda. This is my fiance. The ring was started because I was over in England. Went over for 3 weeks to go see another NMRA convention.
Right?
We came over, and then Gordy took me up to the West Highlands and all this. And then he took me to this nice jewelry shop. And that's where I found the ring for Amanda.
And you got it there and brought it back.
Yes.
Oh, Amanda, may we see the ring? Obviously you said yes. Oh, it's so pretty and sparkly. How cute. Congratulations. So, Amanda, are you into trains too? I am. Awesome. Another women in model
She
railroading.
actually got her first craftsman structure to work on today.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's super fun. Oh, how cool. Well, congratulations, you two.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, this is Eric Smith from Microtrains, big N-scale enthusiast, just like we are. And Microtrains has a new announcement for this show. So what is your announcement?
Well, thank you very much. The new announcement is that our next all-new tool car will be the 134,000 series 60-foot flat car, 70-ton trucks. The design work is almost completed, and then we'll start, as we say, cutting steel to make the injection mold. And the body is actually all die-cast, so it's going to be low and heavy, and it's going to run very, very well. We'll have a lot of opportunity with varying loads for it. We're very excited about it.
Awesome. That's so cool. All right, when is this available?
We don't have a release date yet, but I would estimate it'd be about 8 months.
Okay. Very cool.
That's an estimation.
Oh, that's exciting. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Make sure I get a good close-up of that. Very cool. I am here with Ray Arnott Jr. of the Around the Layout podcast. We've been invited to be a part of his podcast, so stay tuned for future episodes. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Well, I started the podcast just shy of a year ago, and really it's about talking to model railroaders and learning the why. Why do they do the hobby? Why do they get into the hobby? And then essentially what motivates them, drives them, their passion. So that's what I started to do, and I really like to conversate and hear that. So we kind of turned it into a podcast, and really been having a lot of fun meeting some really great people like yourself.
Yeah, I know. It's been really fun. Yeah. So where can we listen to Around the Layout?
You can find it on any platform that does podcasting. Apple Podcasts, Google. You can also find us on Spreaker. Just search for Around the Layout and you'll find our podcast.
Very
for
cool.
sure.
So what is your following like? You don't have subscribers, but do you have metrics on people who listen?
I'm absolutely amazed. Yeah, we do have metrics, and what I'll say about it is I'm just amazed that anybody besides myself and my family listen, right? It's really kind of a cool thing. We've got listeners from all over the world and that are listening to the podcast and that can relate to it. It's really a common story of loving the hobby and getting into it. So
Very cool. How did you get started in model railroading?
I've had a couple. I think I had a train set before I was born. My dad was excited to have a boy, and he knew it was going to be a boy, and got a train set and kind of some false starts. But really, in my mid-20s is where I started to really get into the hobby a little more. And then I joined a model railroad club, and I started meeting some really great people. Met my mentor in the hobby. So that's where I really started to get into model railroading and learned so much. And then when I learned about operations, that really just turned the light bulb on.
Yeah,
so,
us too. Operations are a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
So what scale do you model?
I do HO scale.
It's okay. We don't want to
that's
hold it against
that's
you.
okay. You know, I mean, you can see my vision isn't as good as it used to be, so I got to go a little bit bigger. I'll tell you, I have a respect for all scales. You're walking around this show today, you see some of the G scale stuff. It's just amazing, the detail on the, so you love to be able to do that, and then you look at the now N scale, Z scale, and the stuff that's available for it.
Yeah.
And if you can't find it at this show, it may not exist. So you've definitely come to the right place coming here to West Springfield, Mass to check this out.
Yeah,
so.
totally. All right, well, this is Ray Arnott Jr. from Around the Layout podcast. Be sure to check it out, especially coming up soon, because that train couple will be featured in one of the episodes. So
Absolutely.
nice
Looking
to
forward to having you on the show.
Yes, thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thanks, Jasmine. We followed them on YouTube for a while.
Yeah, they got a good channel. Okay. Well, don't talk yet.
We're running trains with DaBob from DaBob's Mancave. Hi. Hello. Hi. We're running, well, kind of running your big boy.
I thought I was waiting for you. I was following him.
Oh yeah. There we go. Nice.
So what was happening is on the curve, the foam was breaking away from this side. Like one of them had about that much of a gap.
Fantastic.
So I put a
Thank
tube in
you.
there.
Have fun.
Yep. Check out the other side.
Okay, I will.
Wants to do a special presentation to me, and we wanted to have Jordan here. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, of course, if it wouldn't be for AML, we would never have met Jordan. We would never have been able to bring Jordan into the NMRA crew. And little did people know that Jordan said on the 7th of February 2022, wouldn't it be great, Gordy, if, which is very dangerous, he said, wouldn't it be great if we could connect all the model railroaders in the world on one online platform, which just launched this week as the NMRA Interchange. And so, to recognize that you can have an idea, but then you've got to get it delivered, okay? Here is a President's Award from the NMRA President. Now you have to hold that at the front of the AML photo, alright? Alright, well done.
Yay! I'm excited. I'm trying to get people. Congrats, by the way. That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Yeah.
Somebody throw me some cheese balls.
Holy cow!
Squeeze it, Bob! Squeeze it!
Hey, no pushing!
Line up! Did everyone sign a waiver?
All right, heads up!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheese!
One more!
I made a video you signing it, if that's okay. You are the edge, you're the edge walker looker on Miniprints. I got your
My
autograph.
website is Muskoka Steve on
Muskoka
YouTube.
Steve on YouTube.
Yeah.
Steve. Nice to meet you, Steve.
Thanks.
Hi, we're that train couple.
Hi, train couple.
Hi. Frank is getting scanned at the Miniprints booth, and we're going to make ourselves into little Miniprints.
So this is the radiation.
Oh wow, look, that's a 3D Frank.
This is what we got.
I mean, more 3D than 3D Frank.
Hi. That is you. Yep. That is definitely you. We even got all the hair looks great.
Oh, it looks good. Yes.
Okay, so turntable on.
At least they say turn evil this time.
No smiling, no laughing.
No having fun.
Good?
Yeah, here is the outcome. Oh my goodness, it is amazing. It looks fantastic. I look really cute. Look at little N scale me. Yay! We're actually at the end of Saturday.
The end.
The end of the Amherst Railway Show. We've been invited to a special operations session, and this is with the Dry Hill Model Railroad Club, who's invited the NMRA and NMRA members who were here, and especially some ladies in model railroading, which is super cool, to come in and do an operations session. Hi, sorry, we're vlogging. So, hi, thank you for inviting us.
Hey, no problem.
Thank you. I love your hair. Green's my favorite color. Hi, hello. And so we're breaking up into groups, and we're doing this operating session. What do you think, Frank?
Hey.
Yeah. Hey.
Trying to follow instructions.
I know. I need to pay attention, but I wanted to talk about what we were doing. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll get some footage of another op session. Take an overview. So we're looking at all the ladies of Women in Model Railroading who are doing train stop. Michelle, Kemperman, Cynthia Priest, and me, and Christina over there too. We are running trains on the Dry Hill Model Railroad Club layout HO scale, and we're having such a good time. We're having a good time. Oh, hi! No, you're fine. So I've been running a Union Pacific oil train. So this gas train was what I was trying to run earlier. So we've done a couple of laps and gotten a little bit of congestion. I think there are 9 trains now running on this layout. Some of the parts of the layout are under construction, but it looks really neat. And we wanted to show off this really cool U-Haul facility. And this is what happens when you buy too many engines. You gotta do something with them. You might as well display them in an engine yard.
Whoa!
All right, so there's, what are you looking at, Speed?
There's something in there.
There's something, can I look?
Something coming at me, but it doesn't have a light.
Something coming at you that doesn't have a light. Oh, I see.
We're all gonna go to bed.
There's a train in there.
Let's go check the other side.
All right, we're gonna go check the other side of the tunnel. So you go across here and go through the mountain, and on this side of the module is the tunnel. On the inside of the tunnel, Speed, take a look.
I see nothing.
You see nothing? There's nothing there. It's the ghost train.
This is the Union train station just across the river. Right, this is where we're going to be going in a minute.
One of the buildings over there is also the Springfield. There's like one bar vaccine. That out in the UK. And this one I put
Sparky's live streaming. So we're on Sparky's YouTube channel right now on live stream. Miniprints is setting up, I think, to try to live stream, right?
Prince doesn't know what he's
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Making all my people
Who's
sick.
And he's even trying to talk to us.
trying to get this set up?
Hi,
Hey, will you introduce your YouTube channel for my vlog?
Crooked River and Eastern Railroad.
Crooked River and Eastern Railroad. Yes. We'll show you. I
in
have
Ohio?
your sticker. Yeah, you are right near us, actually, in Northeast Ohio.
Just learned that today.
Yeah.
I didn't realize we were neighbors.
There we go.
Yeah, there.
That's you. As seen on YouTube. Wait, what is your YouTube channel?
Happy Valley Hobbies.
Okay.
It's hobbies that make me happy. Right now it's very model trains eccentric, but eventually I'm also going to do some hobbies that are hobby adjacent, like electronics and machining.
Oh, okay. I getcha. Awesome. Very cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yourself?
My name's Andy Este, and my channel is Este Pandy Projects. And, I have 51 subscribers, so it's very small.
If you have
I'm a
more
baby.
than one that's your mom, then you're good.
No, my mom doesn't even know.
That's like the worst. I know, that's why I'm doing it. See, I give everybody the worst shot of Heath, and do not go over to his channel.
To be on your channel.
They are on my channel.
Make them look
Yeah, but they are on my channel. Why do I want you? I don't want them to go to your channel.
Well,
Yeah, that's why he's making
I
you look
told
bad.
everyone to go to your channel when I ended my stream.
Oh, you said to go to my live stream?
I did. People even posted the link.
So anybody from Heath's stream, I really do love the guy, and this is his best view right here. This is his best side.
Exactly. Yeah. Thanks. Why don't you get?
Oh my gosh.
Aficionado?
Chris.
Crooked River and Eastern, Dave.
You might want to use your Happy Valley Hobbies, Edward Cavey.
Excellent.
Hi, I'm Jasmine from That Train Couple.
Who?
Joe Parker of the Pixel Depot.
Oh, okay. Hi, Joe.
Hi.
Are we supposed to be introducing ourselves?
I guess you could if I can get this thing up.
the camera.
No, we are scanning. I'm going to go down to the north east. If it stops, don't worry, it'll start again. Hopefully. Okay, no, it's okay. It'll keep going. Maybe wiggle a little. There you go. All right, we'll see what happens. Leave it here. All right, we attempted the rare double.
Oh.
I can check that out for you. I was gonna say,
This is
you
real
guys were
smooth
already
camera.
married. Look on the nice
Can't get enough room.
Yeah.
Stuff your stomach in.
Check your fly.
Hey Frank, just come this way a little bit.
Isn't that the exact same place we did last time?
Yeah? No? Maybe?
Sparrow, but it could be smaller.
You gotta wait again.
Oh, here we go again. Now we wait for him to come around again. You know, I can just
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh boy.
We've determined that my turntable will not spin two people. But I have an idea, completely and utterly random. We'll see if we are.
Alright, so Bernard, do you have a question for me? Bernard, you're not facing the right direction.
Hello.
Now we gotta wait. It says down there.
It says, ask me about model trains. Actually, you don't have to ask. I'll just talk about them anyway.
Hi, my name is Mr. Monkey, and thank you for watching That Train Couple, and subscribe to Mr. Monkey 311. Thank you. My name is Shawn 432. Thank you for watching The Train Couple, and please subscribe to them and my channel. It is Shawn 432.
Oh, awesome! Thank you.
Stole her phone again. So again, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm not really recording yours. I'm just doing B-roll.
B-roll?
B-roll.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, anything where, you know, it's like, go for it. All right. So, oh my God. How are you aiming cassette tape at it?
Yeah, it's a cassette tape.
That is the coolest. Yeah, it's like Feels good. Vibration in the feet. They actually feel really good. All right.